Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create group on Outlook. So for this you have to go first on your Microsoft Outlook. Now you have to go now people option. Now you can see there are just two family members of mine. So now I have to create a group with these two members. So go for new contact group. You can see here. So click on it, and now you have to write here your group name. So I'll write here family. Okay, it's done. Now you have to click on add members over here. So click on it, and you can select any of this. So I'll choose from Outlook contacts. And you can see these two members are here. So if I click one and click on members, again click on one and click on member, so you can see two members are added here. So now you have to go for OK, and after that go for save and close. So done. You can see there either your group here. So guys, this is how you can create group on Outlook. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.